Did you know some of the best skincare ingredients are already in your kitchen? Welcome back to my channel. Skincare can get expensive, but sometimes the basics are exactly what our skin needs. DIY face masks have been around for centuries. They use natural, accessible, and effective ingredients. I get asked all the time, is DIY skincare worth it? My answer is yes, with a big asterisk. You need to know what you're doing. No random lemon juice or baking soda on your face. It's about picking the right ingredients for your skin type, understanding their benefits, and using them safely. Today, I'll be your guide through 8 DIY face mask recipes, each targeting a specific skin need. We'll break down the why behind each ingredient, how to mix and apply, and what results to expect. This is your ultimate guide to safe, effective, and budget-friendly DIY skincare. Let's get started. First up, the Turmeric Brightening Mask for dullness, uneven tone, or post-acne marks. Turmeric's curcumin is a powerhouse antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, helping calm skin and fade dark spots. We pair turmeric with honey, nature's humectant and antibacterial, and yogurt, which gently exfoliates with lactic acid. This trio brightens, soothes, and hydrates. Mix 1 tsp turmeric, 1 tbsp plain yogurt, and 1 tsp honey into a smooth paste. Apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding eyes and mouth. Turmeric can stain, so use a small amount and don't leave it on too long. 10 to 15 minutes is perfect. Rinse with lukewarm water, massaging gently for extra exfoliation. Any yellow tint comes off with a gentle cleanse. Expect instantly brighter, softer skin and less redness. Use once or twice a week for visible improvement in dark spots and tone. It's a golden hour facial in a bowl. Simple, effective, and totally kitchen-friendly. Try it and watch your skin glow. If your skin is dry and flaky, this deep hydration avocado mask is for you. Avocado is packed with healthy fats and vitamins E and C for deep nourishment. Add honey for moisture and olive oil for extra richness. Yogurt provides gentle exfoliation and a creamy texture. Mash 1/4 ripe avocado, mix in 1 tbsp yogurt, 1 tsp honey, and 1/2 tsp olive oil. Apply generously to clean, slightly damp skin. Relax for 15-20 minutes. It stays creamy, not tight. Rinse with lukewarm water and a soft cloth. Your skin will feel soft, plump, and deeply hydrated. Use weekly, especially in dry weather. It's like a comforting hug for your skin. Oily or acne-prone skin. This detox clay mask is your reset button. Bentonite or kaolin clay draws out impurities and absorbs excess oil. Add a few drops of tea tree oil for antibacterial power and use rose water instead of plain water for soothing hydration. Mix 1 tbsp clay with 2 tbsp rose water and 2 drops tea tree oil in a non-metal bowl. Apply a thin layer to clean skin, focusing on oily areas. Don't let it dry completely. Remove after 10 minutes while still tacky. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Your skin will feel cleaner, less oily, and pores will look smaller. Use weekly to keep breakouts at bay. Remember, don't overdo it. Balance is key. This mask deep cleans without stripping. Perfect for a weekly skin detox. Simple, effective, and gentle. Try it for a fresh, clear complexion. Sensitive skin? The soothing oatmeal honey mask is your best friend. Colloidal oatmeal calms irritation and locks in moisture. Honey hydrates and soothes, while milk or yogurt adds gentle nourishment. Grind 2 tbsp oats into a fine powder. Mix with 1 tbsp honey and 2 tbsp milk or yogurt. Apply gently to clean skin, no scrubbing. Leave on for 15 minutes. It feels instantly calming. Rinse with lukewarm water, massaging lightly for mild exfoliation. Pat dry with a soft towel. Skin will look less red, feel calm, and be super soft. Use weekly to keep your skin barrier happy. It's a gentle, science-backed way to manage sensitivity. Your skin will thank you. Combination skin. Meet the Cucumber Honey Mask. Hydration and oil control in one. Cucumber hydrates and soothes, honey moisturizes, and aloe vera calms and balances. Blend or grate 2 inches of cucumber, strain for juice or use pulp. Mix with 1 tbsp aloe vera gel and 1 tsp honey. Apply the light gel-like mask to clean skin. It's a bit drippy, so lie down and relax for 15-20 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Your T-zone will feel clean, cheeks hydrated, no greasy residue. Use a couple times a week for balanced, refreshed skin. This mask is perfect for tricky combination skin. It hydrates, calms, and leaves your complexion even. Simple, refreshing, and effective. Try it for a happy, balanced face. Mature skin needs extra love. Try the Nourishing Banana Mask. Banana hydrates and softens, packed with potassium and vitamins A and E. Add honey for moisture and olive oil for barrier repair. Mash 1/2 ripe banana, mix with 1 TBSP honey and 1 tsp olive oil. Apply a thick layer to face and neck. Let sit for 15-20 minutes. It stays creamy and comforting. Rinse with warm water and a soft cloth. Skin feels plump, soft, and deeply moisturized. Fine lines look softened and elasticity improves with regular use. Use weekly for a youthful, radiant glow. It's a luxurious natural treat for mature skin. Give your skin the nourishment it deserves. Need to tighten pores and control oil? The clarifying egg. White mask is a classic. Whisk 1 egg white until frothy. Add 1/2 tsp fresh lemon juice. Just a little. Apply a thin layer to clean skin, focusing on oily areas. Avoid eyes and mouth. As it dries, you'll feel a tightening effect, normal for this mask. Leave on for 10-15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Skin will feel tight, clean, and pores look refined, temporarily. Only use at night and wear sunscreen the next day. This mask is a quick fix for special occasions. Use sparingly and safely for best results. Simple, effective, and time-tested. Enjoy your smooth, clarified skin. Dull, tired skin? The Antioxidant Berry Mask is your glow-up. Mash 2-3 ripe strawberries. Mix with 1 TBSP yogurt and 1 teaspoon honey. Berries are packed with vitamin C and gentle acids for brightening and exfoliation. Yogurt and honey soothe and hydrate. Apply the pink, slightly textured mask to clean skin. Leave on for 10-15 minutes. A slight tingle is normal. Rinse with lukewarm water, massaging gently for light exfoliation. Skin will look brighter, fresher, and feel super smooth. Use weekly for a radiant, healthy glow. Perfect before events or whenever your skin needs a boost. It's a delicious treat for your face. If you love natural beauty and homemade skincare, you're in the right place. These easy DIY face masks are perfect for every skin type, straight from your kitchen. Remember, always patch test and listen to your skin's needs. We're building a community of natural beauty fans, so let's connect. Drop your favorite homemade beauty tip in the comments below. I love reading your ideas. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural beauty inspiration. Thanks for being part of this glowing, supportive community. Stay radiant, stay kind, and I'll see you in the next video.